Hey guys, it's Stephanie, and I have an unboxing. See, I was just sitting here on my couch thinking how I was hungry and needed a snack, and then there was a knock on my door, and this came. It says, "Hey, Stephanie, this is the box you're looking for." And they didn't even have to Jedi mind trick me. I believe that this truly is the box I was looking for. So let's open it up and see what it is. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, it says, Pop Chips. Great movies deserve great snacks. That's why we're sending you the best snack in the galaxy to take your taste buds into hyperspace while you embark on the next Star Wars adventure. Solo, a Star Wars story. Have fun at the movies and happy snacking. Oh, what's this? An AMC Black ticket present at box office. It's a movie ticket, which means I have to get a babysitter. Oh my gosh, there's two of them, which means we really need to get a babysitter because we can go see Solo. And then this awesome aged white cheddar Star Wars. Look how cute. It's got BB-8 on it, and they're shaped like BB-8 and the Millennium Falcon, TIE Fighters, and Stormtroopers. Okay, can you find this secret shape? There's a secret shape. It says, every Jedi knows that boring snacks are the path to the dark side, but munching on Pop Chips Galaxy Puffs is your first step into a larger snacking world. We found a new way to use heat to pop this light and airy snack into your favorite Star Wars shapes. They're delicious, non-GMO, gluten-free, and made with real cheese. They're the perfect on-the-go snack for fans of any age, and if your eyes don't deceive you, you may even find the secret shape. Don't worry, we'd never tell you the odds. Okay, so these have 0 sugar. Okay, let's try this. That's a BB-8. Oh, that's delicious. A Millennium Falcon, maybe? Kind of looks like flour to me. I'm trying to find different shapes. More Millennium Falcons. What's that? I think that's half a Stormtrooper. Seen more Falcons than anything. Okay, here's a Stormtrooper. Haven't seen a TIE. Oh, I think that's half a TIE Fighter. I haven't found the mystery shape, but these are delicious. Thank you so much to Pop Chips. What a nice surprise. The rest of the box is just yellow warm fuzzies that are now all over the place. Thanks so much. If you like this video, click like. If you want to see more videos like this one, click subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.